So my brother asked me the other day if I would draw something special for him. It was a picture of Dad's tractor, and I've drawn Dad's tractor multiple times. They're flashing across the screen right now. That's nothing new. This Super M has been such a part of our family that I've drawn it more than any other tractor ever. And anybody's familiar with my stuff has seen this tractor fly around a few times. But the picture that he asked me to draw was something that I typically wouldn't draw, mostly because it has people in it. It's a very dynamic picture. It's got two tractors. It's this picture right here. And it's a picture of my dad and my brother at a tractor pull. They were doing team pulling, where you hook two tractors side by side on the same sled and go down the track. And after they got off the track, they were driving back, and a photographer took a picture from behind them. And that's this picture right here. And it's my brother's favorite picture of Dad. And I'd looked at this many times, and I've wanted to draw it, but I didn't have the nerve to do it, mostly because of what it is. Well, this week I put pencil on paper and I did it. I just wanted to share that with you. This is how it turned out. And I mean, I don't think it could have turned out any better. We lost Dad back in January, and you know, earlier, I think it was in June, we went back to the same track that this picture was taken at. Me and my brother team pulled side by side. We spread some of Dad's ashes on the track, and you know, this was a very special drawing, and it's going to hang right there on my wall for the next few weeks. And then the next time I see my brother, it's going to his place. And I wanted to take a little bit extra time and share that this special drawing that I have. It's not something I would typically draw, like I said, but I'm very glad I did. I just thank you for taking the time to look and watch it and enjoy. So thanks, y'all.